What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com. Once again, Harrison making noise in the background. What the heck, Harrison? I have a 2018 Ninja 400, guys. This bike's like literally brand new. It's freaking gorgeous. It's got plenty of tread on the back. I've never had the 400. I don't know how much faster it is than the 300, but the body looks amazing on it. It honestly looks like a mini little like H2. Super cool bike. Or H1 or whatever the frick, which one it is. It looks freaking awesome. There's really no miles on it. Oh, there's some scuffing. Well, not really. Some scuffing. It looks like maybe he was wearing jeans or something. Just, yeah, some slight scuffing. On the right angle, you can see it. Top of the tank looks amazing. It's a really hard bike because it's like basically brand new. It's really hard to find flaws on these. Let's see how many miles are on this. 3,310. Oh, so there's more miles than I thought. He must have just taken really good care of his bike. Shocker. Oh, scratch right there. Our title. Whew. It's on the borderline of being freaking totaled. Let's see here, guys. Guys, if you're looking for a great starter bike, this is an absolute amazing starter bike. It's gonna be a great first sport bike for anybody. It looks awesome. None of your friends are gonna know the difference unless they ride bikes. All the girls waving you along the side of the road, they're not gonna know the difference. You're gonna look awesome on it. But thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike.